Welcome to the Science Show. Today we're discussing pressure.
It's going to be a lot of fun, so let's get started.
Pressure is the particles of a gas or a liquid pushing against the inside or the outside of an object.
Imagine a box, and inside this box, air particles. As the particles move, they eventually hit the walls of the box. This force of the air particles hitting the box is what pressure is.
So, in the case of this glass bottle, the bottle's glass walls are too strong to really be affected by the air particles inside of it. So, nothing really changes.
But in the case of this balloon, because the walls are a lot weaker, the air particles are allowed to push the walls out. That's why the balloon expands when you fill it with air.
The most common way to find pressure is using this equation. Pressure times volume over temperature, where pressure is directly related to temperature and inversely related to volume.
That is why when pressure increases, volume decreases, and temperature increases. When volume increases, temperature increases.
So it sounds confusing, but we'll go in depth into each of these three topics now.
The first idea, pressure is inverse of volume, can be explained in this experiment. As the syringe gets pushed in, the volume that the gas occupies gets smaller. It might be hard to see, but the syringe gets harder to push in as the volume decreases. That is because pressure is increasing. The second idea, that volume is directly related to temperature, can be best described in this experiment. As you can see, the volume is pretty big right now, but when I put it inside the freezer, as the temperature decreases, the volume is also going to decrease. As you can see, as temperature decreased, the volume also decreased.
The third idea, that pressure is directly related to temperature, can be proven by this experiment. As the temperature increases, the balloon inflates.
We heat up the water in a microwave, and because of that, the pressure increases and the balloon inflates. Now, as you can see, the temperature is decreasing right now, so the balloon is also deflating. But we can go one step further, because we put it in we put it inside here, the pressure decreased so much that it sucked the balloon inside of the beaker.
That's a beaker.
Inside of the thing.
Scientific
That's the
language.
scientific term. Well, that's all for today on the Science Show.
Join us again next time when we have to do another fun science project. Yeah.